Alright guys, today for your homework you are going to be doing the Metric Mania Part 1 worksheet. It's due on Monday, which is the 14th. There's two parts to it. I'm just going to go over the first part with you, or both parts with you, and just do a couple examples for you so you are on the same page. So you guys can see the first part. It's going to be multiple choice. It looks like this. Okay, in the directions it says choose the correct unit abbreviation for each unit. Remember that capitalization matters. So use your notes or the image attached. See this example video, obviously. And so I attached this little section. This should have been added to your OneNote the other day. So you guys can either look at this and reference it, or you can check your notebook. But if you remember, our base units for length was meters, and we use a little m for that. So anytime you're dealing with meters for your length, use a little m. Volume was liters, so capital L. Mass in grams was a little g, and temperature is degrees Celsius. You guys won't have to worry about that one today, though. Okay, and then for prefixes, we have kilo is a little k, hecta is a large h, deca, capital D, deci is a lowercase d, centa, lowercase c, milli, lowercase m, and then micro and nano. You guys won't use those today. But basically what you're doing is, if you look at this first one, it's kilogram. What would be the proper way to write the abbreviation for kilogram? So you could go up here and look and say, all right, kilo is a lowercase k, and gram is a lowercase g, so kg would be your correct answer there. Okay, I'm just going to go out and fill out the first answers for all of these so I can show you guys the next part. I by no means am marking the correct ones. You guys do have the correct answer to part 1, but that is it. Okay, so I'm just doing this so I can go on to the next part. Okay, part 2 of this is unit conversion. So you guys will be using the King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk table to help you do your unit conversion. Remember, a unit conversion is where you guys are taking one unit like centimeters and then telling me, all right, if we have 100 centimeters, how many meters is that? So just as a recap, you guys will you could highlight, or you can put one finger on your given unit. That's the number I give you in the problem. Okay, is your given unit. And then put your other finger on the target unit. That's the unit I'm asking you to find. So count how many spaces it takes you to get from the given to the target. And again, count like you guys would on a board game. You're not going to count where your finger already is. Okay? And in what direction, that'll be the number of times in the direction you guys move the decimal in the number of the given. Okay, so we're going to do 2 questions for you right now. We're going to do number 10 and number 11. So if I go ahead, I'm going to do these in my OneNote for you guys really quick. You don't have to do this in your OneNote. But you guys can see number 10 is 2,000 meters is equal to how many grams? Okay, so I would put my finger, or in this case, I'm going to use a highlighter so you guys can see it a little bit better. My given is meters, so I'm going to highlight meter. And my target unit, the unit I'm asked to find is, oh man, I made a typo on that one. Sorry, hold on. Milligrams to grams, sorry. I'll fix that one. So looks like I am milligrams. Oh shoot. Milligrams, sorry. Okay, my bad. Let me redo that one. All right, our given is milligrams. So I'm going to go find milli right here. And our target is grams. That's my bad. So here's grams under our base units. Okay, so then I'm going to, all right, I started out here at my given, and then I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. So I move the decimal 3 places to the right. So 2,000. My imaginary decimal is here at the end, and I'm going to move it 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. Make sure to get rid of your old decimal, so I'm going to get rid of that one, and I'm going to redraw the new decimal here. So your new answer is going to be 2.000 or 2.0, or just 2 is fine. But basically there's 2 grams in 2,000 milligrams. Okay? Next problem, let's see if I have any typos for this. Okay, next one is, if we have 104 kilometers, how many meters do we have? So again, our given in this situation is going to be 104 kilometers. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight 104 is our given here, and our target is what we're supposed to find is meters. Meters is our base unit, and it's right here. So we're going to move from our given, which is kilometers, 1, 2, 3, to our base unit of meters, which is our target. So we moved 3 to the right. So with this one, again, I would go 104. My imaginary decimal is right here at the end, and we're going to move it 3 spots to the right. So 1, 2, 3, and then redraw your decimal. Get rid of it here and add in our zeros. So there would have been a 0 here, a 0 here, and a 0 here. So your answer should be 104,000 meters. So if you guys go out and you run 104 kilometers, you're really running 104,000 meters. Okay, so that would be your answer to plug in on your Google form right here. Okay, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you guys need to schedule a Teams chat, go to Clever and watch the little video on how to schedule a Teams chat, and I can help you out. Have a good day. Bye.